WhatsApp group members that he will appoint. So you are killing yourself. You are not asking about the guy who appointed them. You are asking about the class captains he appointed. You know, it's just like a class master. If he's allowed to, appoint a class captain, he might putting themselves over. Where would who would Tinubu appoint? If you are a thief, it's not from the group of thieves that you appoint your ambassadors from. Yes. If you are a terrorist, you appoint terrorists as your ambassadors. If you are a drug bearer, you appoint drug bearer. When Tinubu did his pardon, what did I say to everybody? He pardoned people from his constituency. More. Yes. And when we shouted, some people now said, okay, he now reversed it. But I'm sure that the pardon that was granted to drug bearers is still the highest percentage of the pardon, even after the review. Because you never see the review again. No. Yes. It's a business now. So that's the reason I'm not discussing, because I know people want you to discuss Reno Omokri. You want to kill Reno Omokri. He has no job. You know, he needs the ambassadorship position to survive. Yes. You know, so you are worried about Reno Omokri. You are not asking about Ikpeazu. The person I used to call Onye Slippers. Yes. whose only achievement in Abia State was producing slippers. Yes. Abia is in Gotham. So there's nobody there that you can consider like a human being, a real person. So yes, these are just people who are rewarded by their Lord and Savior. Yes. Or the criminal activities they will carry out.
Okay, so what's your take on the recent issues we face, especially security? Now, the defense minister resigned yesterday, and there are indications that Christopher Musa is being penned to be the next defense minister.
Same thing, a reaction. When Christopher Musa was chief of defense staff, I criticized him when he said he wants to fence Nigeria. For me, it's just, replacing a competent person with another incompetent person. The fundamental issues to be resolved about Nigeria's security situation is not going to be addressed by changing personnel. It has to be done by changing tactics.